If you've ever felt stuck too close to your Tinkercad design and wanted to zoom out fast, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to zoom out in Tinkercad using a few simple methods that work whether you're using a mouse or your keyboard. This is a super useful skill when you're working on 3D models because zooming out helps you see the full work plane, check your layout, and make sure all your objects are positioned correctly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump in. The fastest way to zoom out in Tinkercad is with your mouse scroll wheel. If you have a mouse with a middle wheel, simply roll the wheel down toward you. As you scroll down, Tinkercad will zoom out and show more of your design area. This is the quickest method for most people, and it works especially well when you need to get a wider view of your project without clicking through menus. If you accidentally zoom out too far, just roll the wheel in the opposite direction to zoom back in. If you don't want to use the mouse, you can also zoom out with a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press the minus key, which is the dash or hyphen key. Each press will zoom you out a little more, so you can control the view step by step. This is a handy option if you're using a trackpad, laptop, or you just prefer keyboard controls while designing. It gives you a simple way to adjust the camera view without moving your mouse around. Now, if you want Tinkercad to instantly show you everything in your workspace, use the Fit All option. This is one of the best tools when your project gets bigger or when your objects are spread out across the work plane. To do it, press Shift and F on your keyboard. Tinkercad will automatically zoom out until every object in your design is visible on the screen. This is perfect when you lose track of part of your model or want to quickly reset your view. You can also look for the brackets icon on the left toolbar, which provides the same type of quick zoom out view. Clicking that option will help you fit your entire design into the workspace so you can see everything at once. If you're building something detailed, this can save you a lot of time because you don't have to manually scroll and pan around to find each piece. A good tip is to use these options together. Scroll down to zoom out a little, use the minus key for finer control, and use Shift plus F whenever you need a full overview of your model. That way, you can move between close-up editing and wide-angle viewing very easily. It makes designing in Tinkercad much smoother and helps you stay organized as your project grows. So to quickly recap, roll your mouse wheel down to zoom out, press the minus key for keyboard zooming, and use Shift plus F or the brackets icon to fit all objects on screen. Those are the easiest ways to zoom out in Tinkercad and get a better view of your design space. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.